I was a little bit bored drawing on the paper, so today I decided to make a digital art on my Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile and show you the whole process. Now let's start the drawing.
Wait, I don't have any stylus pen.
But for an artist, his tools doesn't matter, it's all about how you handle it. So, to solve the problem of not having a stylus, I decided to make one. To make the digital art, I chose the Medibang app and it is free. Also, it has so many brushes. Though it's not sponsored, I genuinely love this app. But to make the digital art, I need some inspiration, so I collected pictures from the web and sorted a plan about the drawing. Okay, I created a new canvas and now it's time for sketching. To make a rough sketch, I am using the default pencil brush of the app and making the initial drawing. The rough sketch will always look like shit, but trust me, it will turn out amazing. The rough sketch is basically for placing the ideas on the canvas and making the process much easier. Next, I am doing a final sketch to make the sketch more clear to see. It will also help me to do the line art next. So, as I finish the sketching part, it's time to go for the beautiful lining. For lining, I'm using the pen tool in the Medibang app and making the smooth black lines. It's very satisfying.
Oh, that's a road to Chatsworth Road. If you come round here, then you better be sure.
I have finished my linings. Well, it's getting so late, but let me finish this as quickly as I can. The only part left is coloring.
Fishing, turn a pagan to a victim. Back my shank, do a zigzag in his head till he looks like Lisa Simpson.
For coloring, I chose a default watercolor brush from the Medibang, so it is now going somewhere.
Toast us, I could pop up and get a pagan toasted. If my knife was a USB, then your lap or top is the port that it goes in. Me and JT went jail for a jolting. They had the man them screaming free us. 07 emos 4-man in a Toyota, praying the police don't pre us. If you get stabbed up and die, tell your dead friend that said hi. I'm sitting in jail like where's my freedom? It got taken like your brethren's life. All my pagans do is lie. I'm starting to think.
Alright, in the meanwhile, our drawing is almost ready and there are few things left.
Calvin Klein, we didn't know which art block to go, so we had a debate like Jeremy Vine. If my zombie goes in your belly, it gets tangled in your intestines. Free JT, that's my right hand, he's already put blood in his tactical knife. Let's play a game called Don't Get Stabbed Up. Whoever gets stabbed up first is the one that drops and don't get back up. Stab man in his head then shoulders, my hunting knife ain't curing his dandruff. If blood was a currency, then I'm trying to pull up and leave him bankrupt. Don't get stabbed up.
So finally, it is over. Sit back and relax. Here comes the reveal. Enjoy it.
My man snitched when he got cabbaged, he was a talking vegetable. We got war with most of the borough and a war with a few old friends. If you back our shanks trying to see true colours, that true colour we'll see is red. Bro didn't do that draw in the beamer.
Hey you, yes, I'm talking to you. I know you are watching this video probably for 5 minutes. But this kind of video takes days to make. Also, I have to do all the process to complete it. So, please consider leaving a like to the video and subscribe to my channel. It will help a lot.
Next to my boxes, I wanna see K's, no Calvin Klein. We didn't know which art block to go, so we had a debate like Jeremy Vine. If my zombie
do it now.
In your belly, it gets tangled in your intestines. Free JT, that's my right hand. He's already put blood in his tactical knife.